Hi, my name is Nidhi Parashar. Today I'm going to demonstrate a video tutorial on how to get started with Apache Cassandra and Java to connect to Cassandra. Some prerequisites before performing the steps are you have to have running in Cassandra instance on your machine, a Java IDE. I'm using Eclipse. Let's check whether the Cassandra instance is running. On the command line, you can use the command node tool info and node tool status. Here the node tool info provides more information about the load and uptime. Next we will launch the Cassandra SQL shell utility. Here we can check for the key spaces that have been created. Here we see that we will use the demo key space, and if we use the select star from users query, we can see that in the users table there are 3 rows. And now we will move on to the Java IDE. I have already created a project with the package and in which I have two .java files. The first one getting started.java. To execute both the files, I need to import some external jar files using the build path libraries. I've added the external jar files, and let's examine the program. First, we need to create a cluster and session instances field to hold the references. A session will manage the connections to our cluster. Next, we will connect to the demo key space and insert a user into the user table. To show the step-by-step execution, I have commented the rest of the program. Now I will execute the program. Here we see that the user Benjamin has been added and the age has been updated from 35 to 36. And finally, the record that was inserted has been deleted. Similar to this application, to this program, I have another file called getting started 2.java. In this second program also, we are creating a similar application, but we are exploring more the connection policies of Cassandra, prepared statements, and query builder. The idea here is to provide some safeguards if a node fails in the cluster. The default retry policy helps in case we have timeouts during read or writes. If the node was unavailable to the client, it's going to keep trying for a certain amount of time, which is determined by the default retry policy. The load balancing policy helps determine which node will run a query. The DC aware round robin policy ensures that there is loop back and requests are contained to the local data center. Next, we are using the prepared statements to insert users into the table. This is a more secure method as we are only parsing the values once and not multiple times. Similar to the first program, we will update and delete the information for the user Benjamin. Now I will run the program. So again we see that the user was added and the age was updated and the record was finally deleted. So we have successfully ran the insert, select and delete queries using Java. Thank you.